So my name's James Fisher. I am co-founder of Roadtrippers, which from a very high level you can think of as MapQuest meets TripAdvisor. What we're trying to do is take leisure travel content and inject it into mapping and navigation, because we found ourselves we were in the car and we'd be using some guidebooks, we'd be using Google Maps on pulling our laptop out, we'd be using all these different apps like TripAdvisor to get reviews, Expedia to book, plotting it out on the map to see where the stuff was behind us, in front of us, near each other, and then we'd have to take it all and punch it manually into our GPS unit. And this whole process was we were spending more time screwing around with apps and books and GPS units than we were looking out the window, So we just thought there's got to be a neat way to wrap this stuff up. That's Roadtrippers. I'd heard about accelerator programs through things like TechCrunch and reading those kind of blogs overseas. And I think what happened was I found this comparison. Someone had done a blog post out there somewhere. It was a comparison of all the different accelerator programs. And the Brandery was one of the ones that was left open for the year. So I was like, screw it, let's apply to the Brandery and see, if they can give us a jump start. And then we'll know if this is the thing we really want to do. And through the process of that, doing the Brandery, we realized, let's go for it. You don't want to be in a shit network. It's that's the worst thing ever. You want to be in a high quality network, and that's what an accelerator like this will give you, the start of that high quality network. That's the number one thing about the Brandery specifically, where the value absolutely was for me. And then as an extension of that, the energy and the revitalization and all that stuff that's going on here. There's all this great history and culture here, and a great forward momentum to bring it back to what it once was.
It used to be that if you wanted to build a tech company, you had to move to the Valley, but not anymore. In this morning's Startup Cincinnati, we focus on the Brandery, a local accelerator that gives an idea wings.